Wondering how to own a Zara store? Let's talk about how Zara franchising works and how to get started. Zara is part of the Inditex group, and unlike many retail brands, they rarely offer franchises. Most Zara stores are directly owned and operated by the company itself. However, in some international markets where Zara does not have a direct presence, they do allow franchise agreements, but these are usually offered to large, established retail partners with strong logistics and market experience. To explore the possibility, visit the official Inditex website and go to the contact section. Choose business inquiries and fill out the form detailing your interest and qualifications. Your chances are higher if you already operate retail spaces or have strong regional connections. Would you ever want to run a fashion franchise like Zara? Comment below and tell us why. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.